Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I want to talk to you about a very special project that Home Love Construction just did in coordination with the Bob Woodger Foundation and the Homeless Empowerment Program right here in Pinellas County. So this really awesome project, basically, to be honest with you, kind of fell into our lap with a connection that we had with somebody who was connected up with the Bob Woodger Foundation, and they were basically looking for a contractor to handle a major renovation of a homeless empowerment facility specifically directed at assisting veterans who are going through homelessness or a transition period. And basically it's all focused on assisting veterans. So myself, I was actually in the US Army. I'm a veteran myself. It was really cool that we got to do this renovation. Like most renovations are, we have somebody's home and we get to improve it substantially, but it's for a family, and this being for more of a community thing where a lot of people are gonna come through it and it's gonna have a much bigger impact. It was just a thing where I was like, absolutely yes. Like we actually don't really even do very much commercial work here at Home Love Construction. We turn down most commercial projects that come across our desk, but this one in particular, we just couldn't say no to. It was too good of an opportunity to help people who I have a personal connection to, and really to assist the foundation, the Bob Woodger Foundation, which actually provided the assistance, major assistance with actually getting the project started and then across the finish line. And you're going to get to hear from our project management team and some people at HEP at the actual facility here in Pinellas County, and kind of what their experience was. And the thing that I want to point out is the speed with which we got this project done, and I'll let them tell you a little bit about it.
Hi, my name is Ashley Lowry. I'm the president and CEO of the Homeless Empowerment Program in Clearwater, Florida. HEP provides housing and support services for individuals, families with children, and veterans. We serve 110 vets every day. About a month ago, the Bob Woodger Foundation toured HEP's campus and, in partnership with the state of Qatar, provided a grant to provide very needed support services to the veterans we serve. They referred us to Home Love Construction, who completely renovated the Veterans Clubhouse and provided us with this beautiful space that was in need of a lot of love. We renovated from floor to ceiling and completely transformed the space, which serves as a space of camaraderie for our veterans to come together and participate in various activities that HEP provides. We're so grateful to Home Love Construction. They were incredible to work with, and thank them for all the work that they did on our campus.
Hi, my name is Vicki Jerko. I'm the facilities manager at the Homeless Empowerment Program, and I just want to say that it was a joy to work with the Home Love Construction, because it's really important. The vets really enjoy this clubhouse, and it's something that needed to be updated. By working closely with the Home Love Construction, we were able to bring a totally different ambiance to the clubhouse that the vets will really enjoy. One of the things with working with Home Love Construction is they were able to complete it within 4 weeks. Things just happened. Everything was on schedule. At the end of the day, I think everyone's just going to be really happy to see what Home Love Construction and the Woodward Foundation did for Homeless Empowerment Program.
Hi, I'm Laura Faust, and I'm one of the project managers at Home Love Construction. It was indeed a pleasure to get to do this job. So thankful that Home Love included me and let me come in and help do this work for the veterans that are so deserving of this. What a great space they have for camaraderie, reflection, and relaxation. Thank you again, Woodger Foundation and the state of Qatar and Home Love, for being able to put this project together so quickly.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, be sure you subscribe to Home Love Construction on YouTube. Just type in Home Love Construction on any social media platform. You can give us a follow or a subscription wherever you find us. And if you need help with a similar project to this, if it's something having to do with assisting the veteran community, and something I'm very passionate about, being a veteran myself, and this is also a veteran-owned business, just as a side note. But if you're someone who's looking for help with a construction project in any capacity, Home Love Construction is here to help you. Even if you're somewhere where we can't physically do the project, we will find a way to help. So please reach out to us. You can always email info@homelove.construction, and we will definitely find a way to help you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.